Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok videos not showing in my profile and to others. Many of us or many of you TikTok users uploading videos, but when he finish uploading and post it to public, and when he posts his videos to public, his friends not viewing these videos. So in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. First thing, for example, when you go to TikTok like this, and you go to your profile down here. Now, for example, you upload in a video, then you post it to your friends, and your friends contact you that your video not showing on your profile here and on your public viewers. Now, the first thing you must check to fix this problem is by checking your internet. Check your internet and your uploading if the uploading finished or not. If not, try to re-upload the video again and again. The second thing you must check is going to check your updating your app. Go to your Play Store like this and search for TikTok app. Click on search. Then if you show in there update in the blue button here, update, click on it and wait until the updating finish. The second thing or the third thing you must check also is by going to TikTok app, your TikTok app, and click on it, long click like this, then click on app info down, then check your storage data or usage, clear your cache and your data, and force stop the app. When you force stop the app, the upload will stop. Then what you're gonna do, you go to your TikTok again and try to upload another video again. Go to your plus button down here, click on it like this, then try to upload the video, another video as you see here. Then what you're going to do, if the problem not solving, what you're going to do, the third or the fourth solution you must check is by checking your settings. Go to your settings and privacy. Make sure your account is not private. Go to your privacy like this and check if the private account disabled like this. If you have checked this private account, disable it like this as you see here. So this is the most for solution to fix TikTok views or TikTok videos not showing in my profile and in my to my friends. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.